Here is a step-by-step process to follow for successful pistachio seed germination. Step 1. The first and the most important step is the seed selection. Most of the pistachios with shell, or without shell, what we consume as food, are roasted and salted and will never germinate. Please do not waste your time on these pistachios. You need raw and unprocessed pistachios, which should be easily available in your local grocery store, or you can even purchase them online. Step 2. Select some healthy-looking pistachio seeds out of these. Do not select damaged ones or split ones. You can choose at least 10 healthy seeds because all of them may not germinate. Only about 50% of the seeds or lesser might germinate, and only a fraction of those germinated will make it to a small seedling and then may grow into a small tree. Also, if the shell is intact, you need to carefully break the hard shell without damaging the inner seed. Step 3. Soaking these seeds in water for 24 hours. Many recommend 48 hours. I have tried 48 hours too, but they split open with too much soaking. So, we need them to just swell up before keeping for the sprouting process. Step 4. You can sprout the soaked seeds by using two methods: toilet paper method or cocoa peat method. In cocoa peat or dirt method, you place the soaked seeds on a layer of cocoa peat and cover the seeds with cocoa peat and place it inside a polythene Ziploc bag for germination. I found better results with the toilet paper method. Step 5. Cold stratification process. Stratification is a process of treating seeds to simulate natural conditions that the seeds must experience before germination can occur. Many seed species have an embryonic dormancy phase, and generally will not sprout until this dormancy is broken. So, to increase the chances of germination, you can keep the seeds in refrigerator for about 4 to 6 weeks and then sow them at room temperature. I have tried with and without stratification, and the results were almost same for me. But this process is compulsory for almond seed germination, which are actually difficult to germinate under ordinary conditions. We have shown how to germinate almond seeds using some simple tricks in another episode. You can check that link in description below the video. Step 6. Take a container with a lid, or you can even use a polythene bag or a Ziploc bag. Place the seeds on a layer of toilet paper and sprinkle some water to make it moist, and then place another layer of tissue paper and cover the lid. This is to keep it warm and also moist, and this speeds up the germination process. Check every 2 or 3 days for root development, and also check to see if it's moist. Now, we will show you the results after 8 days, and then after 15 days. You should see results within a week. If there is no fungus and roots look healthy, you can transplant these sprouted pistachios in small containers with a clean potting mix containing cocoa peat and some vermicompost. Keep it in indirect light or under shade till you get a seedling with a couple of leaves. Then when it grows further, you can transplant it into a larger container. As you can see, we got ourselves 3 to 4 pistachio plants for our garden collection. Maybe the other seeds might also give out shoots later. Please give a thumbs up to the video, share the video with your friends, and comment below with feedback or queries. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Happy gardening!